1,116 new positive cases were reported in Goa on 20th April 2021. According to Health Bulletin issued by Directorate of Health Services, total active cases in the state now stands at 8,241. Goa's recovery rate is 86.77%. 440 people recovered in last 24 hours. 26 deaths reported today. In total, 926 people have died due to the virus in Goa till today. Breakup of total 8,241 active positive cases are as follows. CSC Bicholim 125, CSC Sake 274, CSC Pelnem 213, CSC Varpai 125, USC Mapsa 501, USC Panji 546, PSC Aldona 148, PSC Pedki 68, PSC Kandolim 646, PSC Kansarvanlem 44, PSC Korwai 135, PSC Kollem 126, PSC Chimpel 261, PSC Shualim 245, PSC Porvorim 705, PSC Mayam 44, Travelers by Road Flight Train 16. South Goa CSC Kurchorem 136, CSC Kankona 97, USC Margao 950, USC Vasco 507, PSC Bali 96, PSC Kansavlim 261, PSC Chinchene 123, PSC Kortalim 458, PSC Kurtorem 135, PSC Lutolem 142, PSC Marsaim 74, PSC Kapam 99, PSC Sangam 61, PSC Shiroda 124, PSC Darbandara 75, PSC Ponda 516, PSC Navelim 165. Bed capacity in COVID care center are as follows. District North, total capacity 275, current vacancy 183. District South, total capacity 180, current vacancy 128. Appeal to all the people to wear masks and follow all precautionary measures. Subscribe to Goa First News and Entertainment channel and click on the bell icon and never miss any update.